And this story kind of really fundamentally answers three questions. Number one is it answers, who do you are? Who do you think you are? I love the Mickey Flanagan joke about this, where he was invited to go on that show, Who Do You Think You Are? And he said, sounds like the start of a fight from where I come from. But who do you think you are is the first level at which your brain patterns you. So it creates an identity for you. And where do you think that identity, where do you think you pick up these things? So by identity, I mean what you think you're good at, bad at, how you think you are, you know, where you think you sit in the relative status to everyone else. Where does that all come from? What do you think informs that primarily as you grow up and you begin to shape this sense of self? Primarily it comes from your parents. You know, your parents are very strong in terms of setting your identity. You know, and they kind of almost, but actually, do you know, I think a big role in this as well is teachers. You know, I remember being at school and there were the, you know, Roy was good at art at school. I was rubbish at art. So at some level I patterned that, oh, well, I'm just not creative. Other people go, I'm not very good at maths, because they got told once by a teacher that, you know, you just can't get this, can you? You know, and so they pattern this stuff and then it becomes their reality. It becomes part of their identity. So part of my job, I think, is to chip away at this and go, well, hang on a second. You know, are you sure that's true about yourself? What about if you actually push that edge a little bit? You might find there's more capability there than you think. So who do you think you are? Your sense of identity is really important in terms of how you show up day to day.